You guys, so I wanted to take the time to make a video because last week I wanted so badly to order the in-home portable washing machine, and I wanted to do a review on it and see just how good it was. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this and then I'm gonna show you what I got. So as you can see, it's really not that big. It's a mini. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna take it out and see how it works. Okay, so most people put theirs in the bathroom. I'm gonna do the same thing. And it does come with a 3-prong. I've already plugged it in. And I'm gonna put it here so that it's not in danger of getting wet. Let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, I already know right away that this is the top. Once you put your laundry in from out of here, then it goes in here, and we're just gonna go ahead and try it because I'm thirsty and I want to show you guys how it works. So honestly, it came with this hose. I know that you're supposed to connect it here, but I don't have time for that, so we're just gonna be filling it up with regular water. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so I'm not gonna add a shit ton of stuff, but I am going to put in, that's a long sleeve shirt, a pair of socks, and I have a hood. Okay, I'm probably gonna press that down. It says not to add too much soap, but I do want them clean, so I'm gonna say that should be about it. Okay, let's close it. Oops. Okay, now let's turn this on. Oh. Oh, shoot. It's on a timer. And let's see if we can open it and look. Are you shitting me? This thing is really getting busy. Y'all, this machine is still going, but this wash is better and harder than some machines at the laundromat. Stop playing with me. Oh. Y'all. And it's still going. Not added bleach. I'm not sure, but I think it's about to rinse and spin. Well, no, drain. And then I'm gonna switch it over. Yep. And this is it draining, you guys. Also, the machine has legs, so you don't have to worry about it being submerged in water. So far, so good.